when you're supplementing it, the goal is what?
Is to increase the amount of creatine pool that's in your pools throughout your body. So remember, it's in every one of your tissues that require energy. You got the creatine phosphate system, and so that's what you're trying to do, is you're trying to increase the amount of creatine in that creatine phosphate system. About 2/3 of the creatine in your body is already phosphorylated, so it's got the phosphate molecule on it, and that's what it donates to get ATP. After you use that ATP molecule, creatine immediately can donate that phosphate and make it ATP again. But that can only last for about 5 to 15 seconds.
What is the benefit of ATP in performance?
It's because that's what we use to perform. ATP is the final molecule that we take from all our foods, extract everything out of it, and we create these ATP molecules, these billions and trillions of them, in order to make every cell work. Every cell can't move. It can't, we would be dead. Well, life wouldn't exist without ATP. It is the currency of every movement, of every cell reproducing in the body. It's everything we do. So when we move like this, we're using ATP for that. What happens is in those quick movements, whether you're jumping or sprinting, weightlifting, those types, that's all pretty much the creatine phosphate system. The first 5 to 10 seconds, you're using ATP that's being created from that system. But ATP is the final molecule you're looking for. Creatine phosphate allows you to create ATP very, very quickly. Takes too long to do it in the glycolytic system and too long to do it in the aerobic system. But in creatine, it's just one chemical reaction. Just drop it off on an ADP, but that doesn't last very long. Only 5 to 10 seconds. So the goal of supplementing, make it last 10 to 15 and 20 seconds. And you can do the same amount of work. You can do that amount of work longer. And you can do more work because you're stronger, because you got more energy in each muscle fiber, more ATP in each muscle fiber.